There are walls in your family that God is breaking today. He's breaking them. Just put your hands up. He's breaking those walls. And a lot of the stuff that you are struggling with is stuff that people's been piling on you for years. They've been piling it on and piling it on and piling it on and piling it on. And God says, just give it to Him. Just give it to Him. You've come to a place. I saw you praying for family members. You kept praying and praying and praying, and you got to a point where you lost hope. It's like, God, I don't know. You kept praying and praying and crying out, God, will you meet them? Will you meet them? Will you meet them? And God says, your words have not fallen on deaf ears. You've not fallen, you've cried and cried and cried for family members, and it's like, it's been a long time, it's been years going by, and it's like you almost gave up, and God says, now I'm stepping in. Now I'm stepping in. God says, now I'm stepping in. Don't go away, just stand here. God is doing something. I'm telling you, God is breaking this thing. He's going to mend things. He's going to mend things. And the past will not be mentioned. The past will not be mentioned because He's wiped it away. Father, I thank you. Remember when I said to you on Friday, I see you picking up the phone. And God is restoring with your kids. Remember I said it to you. I'm telling you, it's going to happen.